Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'll be showing you how to make easy coleslaw recipe. I know I have already done a video on how to make coleslaw, but this coleslaw is made with buttermilk. So stay tuned and watch this recipe. Alright, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and also click the bell icon so that you will get notified with my new videos. So let's get into the video. So firstly, in a bowl I have taken 2 shredded carrots and 1 medium-sized shredded cabbage. Again, here it's according to your preference. You can use shredded or sliced. So next we will make the mixture. So I have taken another bowl and I'll add in a cup of buttermilk. And then add in 3/4 cup of eggless mayonnaise. You can use eggless or the regular one. Now combine these 2 ingredients very thoroughly. You can use beater or hand whisk to mix these ingredients. Then next you have to add in a tablespoon of onion powder. And again combine the ingredients. Now let's add in the sugar and the salt. So here our buttermilk mixture is ready. Now let's pour it onto our carrot and the cabbage. Now you have to combine the mixture thoroughly with the carrot and cabbage. So when the mixing is done, you can have it like so, or else refrigerate it for 6 hours or more so that the veggies get well soaked with the mixture. So that's all for the recipe today, and let's serve it on the platter so that you can see the end result. This is a very easy coleslaw recipe and you can store it in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. And this really tastes better if you refrigerate it overnight. I hope you all will try this recipe at home and give me the feedback in the comment section below. Also, you can leave your suggestions in the comment section below. Till then, take care. Jazakallah khairan. Assalamu alaikum.